Augmented reality for product visualization, examples and uses. Augmented reality, AR, is revolutionizing product visualization, providing a unique experience for customers to see and interact with products in new and exciting ways. AR allows products to be brought to life in 3D, allowing customers to see the product in their environment and interact with it as if it were really there. In this article, we will explore various examples and uses of AR for product visualization. One of the main benefits of AR for product visualization is that it provides customers with more information about a product by allowing them to see it in greater detail. With AR, customers can zoom in and out of a product, see it from multiple angles, and even explore its inner workings. This level of detail helps customers gain a better understanding of a product's features and benefits, making them more likely to make a purchase. Another advantage of AR for product visualization is that it provides a unique and memorable experience for customers. AR allows customers to interact with products in a fun and engaging way, making the experience more enjoyable and memorable. This can lead to increased customer loyalty and positive word-of-mouth advertising. Now let's take a closer look at some examples and uses of AR for product visualization. Furniture. One of the most popular uses of AR for product visualization is in the furniture industry. With AR, customers can see how a piece of furniture will look in their home before making a purchase. For example, IKEA's AR app, IKEA Place, allows customers to place virtual furniture in their living room or bedroom to see how it will look in their space. The app uses the camera on the customer's smartphone or tablet to create a 3D model of the room, and then places the virtual furniture in the space. This allows customers to see how the furniture will look in their home before making a purchase. Another furniture company, Wayfair, has also implemented AR technology to help customers visualize its furniture products in their homes. Wayfair's AR app, Wayfair View, allows customers to place virtual furniture in their homes and see it from different angles, allowing them to make more informed purchasing decisions. Fashion. Another industry that has embraced AR for product visualization is the fashion industry. With AR, customers can try on clothes virtually and see how they will look before making a purchase. For example, the fashion brand Gap has implemented an AR feature in its app that allows customers to try on clothes virtually. Customers simply select a piece of clothing from the app, and then point their smartphone's camera at themselves to see how the clothing will look on them. This helps customers make more informed purchasing decisions and reduces the likelihood of returns or exchanges. Footwear company Converse has also implemented AR technology in its app to help customers visualize its products. Converse's AR feature allows customers to see how its shoes will look on their feet before making a purchase. This technology not only helps customers make more informed purchasing decisions, but also provides a fun and engaging experience for customers. Home improvement. AR has also been used in the home improvement industry to help customers visualize how products will look in their homes. For example, the home improvement supplier Lowe's has implemented an AR feature in its app that allows customers to see how its products will look in their homes. Customers simply point their smartphone's camera at the area they want to renovate, and then select products from Lowe's catalog to see how they will look in their space. This helps customers make more informed decisions about which products to purchase and how they will look in their homes. Automotive. AR has also been used in the automotive industry to help customers visualize how cars will look and perform. For example, the automotive company Volkswagen has implemented an AR feature in its app that allows customers to see how its cars will look in their driveway. Customers simply point their smartphone's camera at their driveway, and then select a Volkswagen car model to see how it will look parked in their space. The app also allows customers to explore the car's interior and exterior in detail, providing a more comprehensive understanding of the car's features and benefits. In addition to the industries mentioned above, AR is also being utilized in the beauty industry. Sephora, a popular beauty retailer, has implemented an AR feature in its app that allows customers to virtually try on makeup. Customers can select a shade of lipstick, eyeshadow, or foundation, and then see how it looks on their face through their phone's camera. This technology helps customers select the perfect shade without having to physically try on different products in-store or risk purchasing the wrong shade online. AR is also being used in the educational industry to provide more interactive and immersive learning experiences. For example, AR can be used to bring historical artifacts to life through 3D models, allowing students to interact with them and gain a better understanding of history. AR can also be used to simulate scientific experiments, allowing students to observe and manipulate objects in a virtual environment. This technology can help students learn and retain information in a more engaging and memorable way. However, like any new technology, AR also poses some challenges for companies. One challenge is the need for high-quality 3D models of products, which can be expensive and time-consuming to create. Another challenge is ensuring that the AR app is user-friendly and that customers can easily navigate the app to make the most of the product visualization technology. Another benefit of AR for product visualization is that it can save time and improve efficiency in the sales process. With AR, customers can see how a product will look and function in their environment without having to physically go to a store or wait for a product to be delivered. This can streamline the sales process and reduce the need for physical product samples or prototypes. In the medical industry, AR is being used for surgical visualization and training. Surgeons can use AR to overlay digital models onto a patient's body during surgery, providing a more precise and detailed view of the anatomy. AR can also be used for medical training, allowing medical students to practice procedures in a virtual environment before operating on real patients. AR is also being used in the gaming industry to provide more immersive experiences for players. AR games allow players to interact with virtual objects in the real world, creating a more engaging and exciting gameplay experience. For example, the popular game Pokémon Go uses AR technology to allow players to catch virtual Pokémon in real-world locations. In the travel industry, AR is being used for destination visualization. AR apps can provide virtual tours of popular destinations, allowing travelers to see and explore the location before booking a trip. This can help travelers make more informed decisions about which destinations to visit and what activities to participate in. As AR becomes more accessible and cost-effective, its potential uses will continue to expand. In the entertainment industry, for example, AR could allow moviegoers to interact with characters and scenes from films in real time. Imagine watching a superhero movie with an AR feature that allows you to see the hero's powers in your own environment, or a horror movie with an AR feature that makes the scares feel even more real.